So, welcome to the training on using the school management software. Now, we're going to be learning on how we can use multi-user. Now, what's multi-user? The multi-user feature is using the software from other systems without installing it on the other systems. This makes it easier for you to use in the sense that other staff can be using it at the same time while it's being used. So you make the work easier. The work will be divided. Some can be adding results while some will be on finance and other aspects of the software. It makes it very easy. Now, those individuals that are using it on other systems are called sub-admin. So you can watch the video on how to create sub-admin. Now, for multi-user, to set up the multi-user so that the other systems can use it, like I said, the other system don't need any installation. You're installing on only one system, which is going to be the server. So to connect to other system, you don't need internet, but there's a way you can set it up. Now, we'll click on multi-user and there's an explanation on how to go about it. So you follow the explanation step by step. And the first instruction said, update your client and server PC default browser. So you are meant to make sure that they are being updated so that it can run properly. Get the latest version of Chrome or Opera and make it the default browser. Then turn off domain network, private and public. Now, how do you go about this? Go to your search and type firewall and network protection. I'm using a Windows 10, so you might see a slight difference in some other Windows, but it's still the same process. Now, under firewall and network protection, now you see three. You can see domain, you can see private, and you can see public. Make sure you switch all of them off. Mine is already off, but if you see that it is saying firewall is on, you just click on this button and it switches it off. So you switch the three of this off: domain, network, private and public. That's what this statement is saying. Then now, after doing that, you now choose either of the method you want. If you want to use hotspot, you follow the instruction for hotspot. If you want to use your router, physical router that you can buy in the market, you follow that. But do not use a MiFi. Those small palm top routers, I would advise you use the DEX router, the router that you put on your DEX. You can use those type, they are more effective. Or use a mobile hotspot, which is also very effective. Then you can use the virtual router. So if your system supports hosted network, which is virtual router, you can use that. So you can follow that instruction. That doesn't involve you buying any device. You can use to set it up. And take note, this doesn't use internet. It uses a system called intranet, not internet. So it doesn't use data to operate. So after following this instruction, you will be able to connect to other systems. If you have any challenge, you can simply contact the software developers or his agents.